Okay, today we're going to put some lights inside the garage. This is what I bought, LED, not LED strips, LED lights. I got 4 of them for now, but I'll probably get a lot more, put them up there. Now I'm going to hang them. I've just got them on there now, just so I can see what I'm doing, because it's pitch black in here. But they just run off your normal power lead over to the power point. So I'm probably going to just put it from the power point up and do 1 row along that side there. Maybe some more in the middle, and definitely another row on the side there, so we'll have plenty of light so I can see what I'm doing. And at the front here I'm going to put some benches in the toolbox, so I might put some extra lights up here so there's more light. But yeah, that's what we'll be doing today while I organise this little garage. There's not going to be much happening to the car. Upstairs, I've got to figure out a way to get up there. I'll probably just get a ladder, put it there, and I'll keep all the parts and stuff up there. And I was thinking putting some stairs over here, getting rid of that last rail, the last 2, and just building some stairs from there down, and just putting the toolboxes and the bench underneath, but we'll see. It's always an option for later on. So let's get to it. Alright, I've got half of them up. Looks pretty good, lights up the area pretty well. So I'm going to put, this is just temporary, but I've put 3 there. I'm going to continue that line, probably put another 2, 1, 2 there, and then run that cable along that into the power point. But that's just for now, so I can see what I'm actually doing. Pretty good, actually. Now, the reason I'm putting 2 rows of lights, I'll put some on that side of the garage, is so it lights up the side of the car. Because if I put them in the middle, you're not going to have light on the side here. So that way, when I'm working here on the side, I can see everything that I'm doing. So if you look over here, there's no light, and the light's on the opposite side, it's dark. You can't see. I'm happy with that. Let's keep going with this. Alright, it's a new day. I've got this trailer with all the parts that I've taken off so far. And I got to take it and put it up there. And hopefully I can start setting up some more things. I'll bring my toolbox, which I still haven't got yet. That's still at home. And it's probably too late to go and get some lights from the hardware store. So these will just have to do for now. Until tomorrow, I guess. But yeah, let's unload this trailer. Okay, everything is inside. Everything's a bit of a mess until I fix things. The hardware store is now closed, so I can't go and get the rest of the lights and all the things that I need, but I'm a little bit impatient and I don't want to wait until tomorrow to start this. So I'm just using the light on the camera, hopefully you can see, and I'm going to try to open up the top, start trying to get this open, and then that way I can start taking apart the interior without crawling in and out. You know, with the roof out of the way, it makes it a lot easier. So I've got the owner's manual. It's saying you can see down there's a piston. You've got to get this with a screwdriver and push that back down on both sides. There's one on that side, and that will release the lock for the engine cover side. So let's try and do that and see if that works. Alright, I've had to take off the covers from each side. They're over there. This side, you can see that there's the actuator. See, that pushes against, hang on, you can see, that pushes on here and that lifts up that. So this whole top bit lifts up and comes back. But the other side is jammed, and no matter how much I push on it, the manual says to put a screwdriver here or in here and lever it and push it, and it's just not going. So maybe it's seized, you know, I don't know what this is. It's not oil, it's silicone, no idea. But this is annoying. But I'll keep trying. Let's keep going. Alright, I've taken off the engine cover panel for the Spider top. Managed to fold the front half, which was pretty easy. And we can see here, that's, focus there, that's broken right there. You can see that it's meant to be one piece, so that's toast. So this is all, you can see, focus, come on, it's all loose. Yeah, it's broken down the bottom too, so that's completely rooted. Yeah, so I'm just trying to fold this. This all, the rest of it still works. When you lift it up, that all opens up. So I'm just going to fold it out of the way for now, so I can get to the inside and start taking the inside apart. And then I'll come back to that. The main part of it was anyway to get it out of the way so I could do the interior without having to crawl in and out. So once I move, I'll fold that over and we'll be okay. I'm not going to leave the soft top folded up like this for too long. You know, while I'm working on it, I'll leave it open so I can get in and out, but I'm not going to leave it folded. I want to have it, you know, open, closed, because I don't want to wreck I don't want to wreck the fabric, which is in really, really good condition. So if I can at least save that, I will. So yeah, I'll leave it open like this while I'm working on it, and when I leave I'll just close it up and leave it like that overnight or for long periods of time. And I think that's it for this time. Next time hopefully I'll get some more lighting. And yeah, see you guys next time.